Hey guys, happy Saturday. Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be opening some Happy Mail. I got this surprise package from Stephany, and she is Butterfly Dreams on YouTube and on IG. And girl, this is such a cute little surprise, but I did want to take the opportunity because it happened to her. And I could have sworn I put it on my Instagram, but maybe I didn't. So that could be my bad. When I stopped working, you guys, I had closed my P.O. box. I did have that P.O. box for my challenge, and then I ended up just not wanting to renew it because I was home, and usually when you guys are going to send me a package, you reach out first. But in her case, she wanted to surprise me, which I appreciated so much. But I don't want you guys to have to mail out a package and then it get returned like it happened to her. I apologize for that, Stephany. But I appreciate your package so much. And luckily she had my address from the first time that I did a challenge. But you guys, I do not have that P.O. box anymore. I don't put it on my bottom bar anymore. So if you want to send out a package to me or a card or anything, you can just email me, and then I will either give you the new P.O. box address or my home address. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is such a cute little package. It was wrapped up like a little stack of gifts with this little ribbon, which I will be keeping because you guys know I keep all the packaging. And then she wrote me a cute little card. And I want to see the goodies. I saw this little pack of stickers. Look how cute, you guys. I don't have this. So this is hoard status because I don't have this. So thank you so much for that. So cute. I love them. And then she gave me these little vellum envelopes, and they're filled with a bunch of goodies. And I hope she doesn't mind that I'm gonna read this, but she left me a little note and she says that my videos inspire her, so she wanted to send me some little goodies to continue crafting, and I will definitely do that. I can see that a lot of the papers that she used is from that Pinkable paper pad from Michael's. Oh my gosh, you guys, my Google Home just scared the crap out of me. Does your Google Home just go off like that for no reason? Oh my gosh, my heart just jumped. Oh my gosh, it's still talking. Can you hear it? Oh my gosh. She just scared the crap out of it. She does that like in the middle of the night. She'll scare the crap out of my wife. I ended up changing some light bulbs that were wireless in my house, and it got disconnected, and I just never connected it back. But whenever it hears the word like Google, it starts talking. Did I even say that? I didn't even say that word. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. It says, hello, beautiful. Cute little pumpkin. She cut me some doilies out of that paper. How cute are these? Oh my gosh. I love it. I love doilies. Thank you so much for those. Then we have this one. Oh, look at that. I have this little, but mine is a little bit lighter. The washi tape, that one's like a dark purple. See? They're so cool, like holographic. All right, let's see. Okay. Don't want to tear it. Oh, I think I opened it the wrong way. Of course I did. I want to save these little envelopes. I love anything vellum. Oh, look how cute. That is such a cute idea. Look at that. I love all the colors, and look at the little mint green and white straw, and she painted the little bats. Isn't that like so fun? I love doing that with my little wood veneers. And then she gave me one of the little cutter parts and my little envelope. Thank you. And then in here, I think she gave me a bunch of the cutter parts from the collection, or some cuts. Oh no, she made me some die cuts. She said that on the note that she cut me some die cuts. So she sent me a bunch of, oh my gosh, super sturdy memory decks cards to decorate, which I definitely will. Look how cute. And she like doubled them up so they're like super sturdy. I'm definitely going to be playing with those. And then she cut me out some leaves. Look at these pretty leaves. This paper pad is so beautiful. And then look at these bicycle, oh, more leaves. And look at these bicycles. I have never seen this die before. How cute is that? And then it says, trick or treat yourself. And then she sent me this one, which is a little memory dex card that she decorated. Oh, she said, I hope you recover from your back. And I'm having, excuse me, such a bad back day today. Oh my gosh. It's kind of why I needed a break for the series, because my back was just, oh, it was horrible. Look at that. How cute. It says boo. I'm going to be putting this in my memory dex holder. Look at the little bag topper. She decorated it. So cute. I love it. And then there's this little one. And she sent me a bunch of little die cuts. And there are a bunch of little bows and labels. Let's see. And then we got these cute little birds. And then look at these little tabs. I love it. Look at that, little hearts. They're falling all over the place, I know. Look at that. So cute. Thank you so much, Stephany, for not only thinking of me, but sending it twice, because I know you sent it to my P.O. box first. I appreciate you so much. I will definitely be reaching out. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye. Okay, I'm back, you guys, because like always, I forgot one envelope, and this was in the other envelope. Look how cute this little ghosty is. And look at its hat. I don't like to forget anything that you guys send me, so of course I had to jump back on and show you guys what was in the other little envelope, and it's so cute. Look at that face. I love it. Thank you, Stephany. All right, now I'm saying goodbye for good. Bye, guys. Well, not for good. Oh, my gosh. So dramatic, Lily. I mean, for now. Bye.